Proper recipes from scratch, that's what I like. So while these kebabs, these homemade chicken kebabs look on skewers are cooking, I'm going to get this stuff ready here, look. I'm going to put some salad on these bread pockets. I think I'll call them bread pockets. They're nearly done. Oh, they do smell amazing. They smell gorgeous. I hope they taste as good as they smell. Let's find out, eh? So I've had these kebabs cooking now about approximately 6 to 7 minutes each side. Yeah, but as you turn them around, you'll notice whether they're cooking or not. So you can't undercook chicken though, but don't overcook it because it's all chewy then and dry. Although because these are marinated, they won't be dry. Yeah, when you marinate meat, not only does it give flavour, but it actually... Oh, got something on me hanging down. It actually tenderises the meat, so it's not as chewy then. Because sometimes you do get chewy meat. So lamb works well with this as well. But I'll do a different lamb kebab one in another video. So I'm going to make some lamb kebabs next from scratch. Oh yeah, I love lamb. Let's mix this up. So you're mixing the pesto into the natural yoghurt. Yeah, just a blob as you saw earlier. And then just spread it on the thing like that. And the same with this one. Oh, that'll give it another spoon. If you don't like natural yoghurt, you can use mayonnaise. But this is like a low fat version. So, and it's got a nice taste, yoghurt. You know, you always think of yoghurt that you'd use yoghurt, don't you, on sweet things. But no, you use it on savoury, on soups, everything. Yep, gorgeous. Put my little bits of cucumber on. One, I'm just going to put 3 on each one now. I'm saving one of these for later, you see. I mean for tomorrow. So I'm not doing that one. Well, I will actually, but I'm not putting the sauce on it because it'll make it all go soggy. And I want it for tomorrow for my lunch. I hope you're enjoying this video. The reason I'm doing these is because I bought some kebabs, you see, from some already marinated kebabs from Asda, and they just had no taste to them. There was missing herbs. It says garlic and herbs. Well, they didn't have any herb taste to them, so I've made my own. And these, I'm sure, if you make them and you've had the ones from Asda, you'll know that mine and my recipe is so much nicer, honestly. It's worth the extra effort to make your own, definitely. And it only takes 10 minutes more. Plus, it's also good for your mental health cooking. You know, it helps you relax. Start cooking. Can you see my hands shaking? I don't know why, but I've got the shakes at the moment. So I'm red hot. Let's cut some onion up. Richard will slice me some of that. So Chef de Party Richard has cut me some bits of onion up. Let's put these on, look. Oh yeah, don't it look nice? I like red onion. It adds some colour, don't it? I'm not going to put much on these ones. There you go. That's the name for these, the other ones that you can get. It's called pita breads. I knew I was looking for pita breads, but I ended up grabbing these thinking these were pita breads. Well, I think these would be better, these kebabs. I think they'd actually be better with pita bread, because kebabs always taste nice with pita bread. That's like what you get them when you go into a kebab shop, isn't it? I'm going to put some of this on, look, the pea shoot salad. Tastes like peas. It's gorgeous. You know, if you like peas in the pod, you'll love this salad. If you like peas in the pod. I'm still shaking. Now for the main ingredient, the kebab meats. As you can see, there's only 2, yeah? So that one's the one with the pesto. I've swapped them over, haven't I? So that's the one with the pesto, and that's the one with the yogurt and tomato puree and basil. So it's kebabs 3 ways, although the third one, you see, I ate that. But I'm going to make another one, but I'm not going to show you because I've already showed you the final product on the cheat version. So the cheat version was mixed with the pesto, so it was minced. But you don't have to mince the chicken, you can just put it straight onto the lumps, yeah. And I think that's what I'd do, really. I wouldn't mince it, because when you put this on, yeah, it makes it too soft, so it don't cling to the skewers. Yeah, it don't cling to the skewers, look like they have. So yeah, that was a mistake I made, so don't make my mistake. Although if you freeze it, if you put them on a skewer and then put the skewer with the meat on in the freezer, that'll hold it together while it's on the barbecue. Or if you've made too many, you can freeze them and then freeze them on the sticks and then just pull them out. Do you know what I mean? It's easier then. Yay! Cheats. Whew, yeah, I think I'm having a hot flush or something. Is it early menopause or what? Oh my God. Whew. Sorry about this, although I've got to eat it now, so let's turn you around. So, don't they look cool? Look at them. Homemade kebabs. Switched it back on again. So these are my homemade kebabs. So I'm going to take them off the skewers, actually. So, and I'm going to taste the meat without the sauce on it, so I can compare it properly to them kebabs that I made in the previous video. This is the one I've marinated. Look, I've marinated this one in lemon juice, basil, fresh basil, and olive oil. Get there in the end. I'm still shaking. I think I'm having anxiety. Hold on. Oh yeah, they've got loads of flavour. Wow. And the meat, you know, they've been marinating overnight, they have. So they've marinated for about, what, 8 hours, 10 hours or something like that. And wow, the meat is so tender. So don't overcook it, but don't worry too much if you overcook it, because the marinade has broken down, you know, the chicken fibres. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky today. So let's put it on there. I'm just going to break this up. Now I'm going to try it in the pocket. Oh. Anyway, I'm thinking I might have to film this video again, because it's like, I'm just shaking. I don't know what's up with me. Well, I do, but I don't want to talk about that. Let's try this. You can dip it in the yogurt on your plate. Oh yeah, they're definitely loads better than Asda's. Sorry, Asda, but you need to take more care of your recipe development team and tasting. Oh, got it all over my face now. So that's a garlic and herb that should have been like what Asda tasted like, and it didn't, in my opinion. Yeah, but this is my opinion, yeah, not everybody's opinion, and I'm allowed my opinion. My opinion is Asda's kebabs, garlic and herb, they ain't got no flavour to them, but mine have. Try them yourself, cook mine, make mine. Right, I'm going to have these yogurt ones now. So these have been marinated in yogurt, natural yogurt, a bit of tomato puree, but no garlic. Oh yeah, they did have, I can't remember, I'll soon know whether they had garlic. You don't have to put garlic in, just the herbs will give it flavour, you know, especially fresh basil. Don't use sage. Sage will give it flavour, but I think sage often tastes a bit dry. It's got like a dry taste to it, if you can have a dry taste. But that's what Asda used, sage. Didn't like it. I like them. Oh, these are nice, and they're very moist and almost creamy. Yeah, these have got a lovely creamy texture about them. Yeah, because of the yogurt. Oh yeah, definitely. Forget chicken nuggets, guys, or you, what do you call them, bird's eye mums out there. Forget chicken nuggets, you want to make them these. The yogurt and tomato puree. Honestly, your kids will love these. They will definitely love them. Marinated in yogurt. Get your kids cooking and all. There's a lady on YouTube who does cooking with her kids. Oh yeah. If you mix that in with the pesto yogurt as well. Let me show you what I've been doing. I'm dipping it in there. I haven't been eating that bread. That bread's a bit dry. I think I like thin bread. I think these are a bit too thick. Do you know what I mean? I like thin wraps. You know them. I'm not a bread fan. So, yeah. Did you see that? All right. Sorry about that. I'm having one of them days. I've slept a lot as well. Get fatigue and I've slept. How many hours did I sleep? I slept from Sunday, 10 o'clock, Sunday night, until 4 o'clock Monday night. But I have got thyroid disease as well, so sometimes the meds don't work. I said I won't want to talk about it, but hey ho, that's part of my life and that's the reality. So I'm sure a lot of you out there relate to that. You have your good days and bad days, don't you? If you've got any ideas or you've tried making your own chicken kebabs, tell me in the comments what works for you and how you did them. Or tell me if you make your own videos and you've got ideas. You know, proper recipes from scratch. That's what I like. That's what I want to do because I think it's good for your mental health. Oh yeah. So nice. The yogurt. What I didn't put, you don't have to put any acidic flavours in it. For some reason, the yogurt helps to tenderise the meat. I don't know how it works. If you know, tell me in the comments. But the milk, it's definitely tenderised the meat. Oh, I love these. I haven't bothered eating the bread, look. Just the meat. I should have done some sweet potatoes with it. Sweet potatoes is good if you lack energy and you're lethargic because it releases energy. It releases energy slower than normal potatoes and normal bread. That's one of the reasons I don't really eat bread, because it sends me into a carb coma. So anyway, I'm going to carry on eating these. What I'd like to say is thank you all so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, go on, please subscribe. See you all later. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Bye.